Hey, how's it going, my friends? So we're going over the andobil phone holder, and this is the magnetic one, and this one is by far the best one I have ever used. It's kind of hard to show what's on the back of the phone, but I can kind of use this as a reference here. I have the magnet sticking on the back of my phone, as you can see in the reflection, and this was super easy to install. It's got two knobs here. We got the front one and the back one. Now this one, all you have to do is unscrew this a little bit and pop this in, screw it on tight. That's step one. Step two, sliding it onto the bar here for your vent and tightening this down, turning it right clockwise to tighten it, and that's it. That's as easy as it is. I've put it in and I've tested it out. It says to wait 24 hours, but I just tried it out. It works perfectly. I would usually put my phone right here, but it makes it so much easier to put my phone there if I need to change the music really quick or something like that. So yeah, overall an amazing, simple, easy way to install it. It comes with little guides, such as this one right here, to line it up on your phone. But I found it simple just to put it rough around the edges in the middle of my phone. I put it a little lower so I could have my phone a little higher up to see. But honestly, this thing is amazing. It came with extra magnets and extra reference pieces and a cleaning wipe right there. But yeah, super easy to install. And I found this to work perfectly for my phone. I have an iPhone 11 Pro Max and it works great. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a great day.
So here's this one here, and just boom, fits right on there really good. Rotate it whichever way you want to. It ain't coming off of there. That's like, you could jump over a cliff and it ain't coming off of there. All right.